Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Discord on your mobile. So in Android you can just go to your Play Store, and in iOS you can just go to your App Store. I'll just go to Play Store here. On the top you can see a search option. You have to just type Discord here and click on search. You can see your install button, you can just click on install. As you can see here, 4 million plus reviews. People have given it 4.5 out of 5. It means it has got a very good rating. The file size is of 78 MB. It won't take that much of space on your mobile, and we can see 100 million plus downloads. Lots of people use Discord. So basically Discord is a chatting place. During its beginning period it was used in gaming, but nowadays people also use it separately for chatting and also business meetings. So yeah, Discord is downloaded here and a shortcut has been added on your home screen. You can just click on open and enjoy the app. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.